Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
What's up, beautiful people? Today is Arya's recognition day. Arya's graduation. Arya, where are you? Yeah. Hindi ko pa siya binihisan, guys. Ayan yung pambihis. Oh. Tama ba? Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Ayan yung pambihis kasi later ko na siya bibihisan, guys. Baka madumihan kasi kakain pa yan siya ng lunch. So, mas mabuti nang bumiyahin na kami now. Kasi 1 o'clock pa naman. Pero right now, it's 11:30. So, darating kami niyan sa city mga 12. So, kakain pa siya 12:30. So, tamang-tama lang, be. Na before 1, at least doon na rin kami kakain siguro sa school. Bili lang kami ng, ng take-out. Kasi pag dito pa, pag umalis kami dito ng 12:30, ay nako. Grabe, ang bilis ng oras. Yan. Si Arya, guys. Oh. Yan. Arya, come. Arya. No, they already took...
I'm not shy.
Ah, okay. They already take a picture, guys. Nandito na kami, guys. Ayan, nakaabot kami on time. Simple lang si Arya. Teal kasi, teal green yung kanilang... Teal green yung motif nila. Ang hirap eh. Ayan, so let's go.
Bring them to the deepest of life in the world that so desperately needs their witness. We have tried to create an environment.
2 hours later.
Ate Arya, congratulations! Finally! Woo! Natapos na rin, mga besh. Medyo sandali lang naman yung yung program. Mga 1 to 4 o'clock lang. Tama. Tama yung yung estimated time ko na matatapos. Sabi ko mga 4 siguro siya matatapos. So, ayan. Say opo.
Opo.
Say opo.
Opo.
Yes. Now guys, lang kami. We will just have snacks with Daddy and Aryan. Magkikita kami sa isang place dito sa may malapit sa SM. Hindi kami papasok ng SM. Sabi ni Alt SM kasi parang i-treat dapat namin si Arya. Sabi ko, guys, alam nyo ba, mauubos yung oras mo sa parking, paghanap ng parking sa SM. So, somewhere na lang kami malapit sa bahay na makakapag-snacks. Buti nga hindi umulan. So, masasama ni Alp si Aryan sa motor. Sasakay niya sa motor si Aryan. So, let's go.
In the barbs, I said you.
No, I didn't receive anything.
No, you said it meat in the.
Si Aryan, guys. Hi!
Mommy, I will tell you
Hi,
when
Mommy!
it's 10%.
It's 10%. Also, I don't have.
No, it's 15%.
Meanwhile.
Wait, this. Shh. I miss you. I miss you. Huy! Kita mo lang. I miss you. We're here, guys. Kape-kape lang kami. Ate, congratulations! Ay, sorry. Binigyan namin si Aryan ng cellphone pay kasi maggagala yan. Aryan! 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 Aryan, say congratulations, ate. Congrats! Kiss ate, kiss. Aryan, kiss ate.
I'll say congrats.
One eternity later.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your name. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.
Lambing-lambing muna kami guys, ganyan yan, bago kami matulog.
You're joined to the one who's
Uy, malambing, sobrang lambing eh. Ay, sobrang pagod guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Pagdating namin galing ng... Nag-ano kami, diba? Kaninong paato? Is it yours? Boom! Kulit. Ang kulit mo na. Ang kulit mo na. Ang kulit mo na. You know that you're so makulit now. Sleep na ikaw. Say good night na guys. I'm so happy today. Oy! Ay, nako. What are you doing? You will jump? Kita mo? Boom! 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, boom! 1, 2, boom! 1, 2, boom! 1, 2, boom! 1, 2, boom! So, ayan, congratulations to Ate Arya. Finally, excited na kami for this year. Yung, ano dito, enrollment nila, starting na yata this March, end of month. So, pero yung class nila siguro mga June pa naman, mga second week of June. So, ang aga nila Arya natapos, no? Kasi maaga din sila nag-start. Excited ako for this little boy, guys. Kasi enroll na namin siya next year. Hindi pala next year, this year. Arya, you're going to school with Ate? You wanna go to school with Ate? Huh? You will go to school with Ate Arya? Huh? You will go to school with Ate Arya? You will have teacher. Mommy will pick you up. And then you will have snacks. Yeah. You will play there in the playground after your school. Excited na ako, guys. Ano kaya magiging ano ni Arya mo? Aray! Ah! Kita mo naman, Kat. Boy! Ulit na. Sige na guys, sleep na kami. And thank you so much for watching mga besh. God bless everyone. Stay positive all the time. And we will see you on the next vlog. Bye! Ayan, say bye-bye. Bye! Wow! Kiss again. Kiss. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Just loving